This is just a short video, but this is a nothing special fan. This is a modern Holmes HABF 20. I just picked this up. The price was right. It was $5, and it works. It's a little beat up. It's missing a screw, but I think that's the only screw that's missing. There's a couple other that are loose. I've got some miscellaneous sheet metal screws. I can make one work. A little bit worse for the wear. That foot broke like immediately after I brought it home. So I think it broke in the car on the way home, but it still has the other foot, so good enough for me. Little dirty. I'll clean it when it gets warmer. So without further ado, start it off on high. Medium. And low. And off. This thing has some leaves in it. I think they've worked their way up to the hub or something. That's what that bearing noise. That's what that bearing-esque noise is, I believe. When you take it apart to clean it, I'll find out for sure. But even if it is bearing noise, nothing I can do about it. These things have, this one in particular, anyways, has a Jarden branded motor, and I don't know. I haven't ran these enough, but I kind of hope that it's better than the Alaska with 3733 motors as far as longevity. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.